Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this DocHub guide for 2026, I'll show you how to download edited PDFs from DocHub. Whether you've added signatures, filled out forms, inserted text, highlighted content, or made other changes to your document, downloading the final PDF is quick and easy. So let's get started. First, sign in to your DocHub account and open the edited PDF you want to download. Make sure all your changes have been saved and review the document one final time before exporting it. If you notice anything missing, return to the DocHub editor, make the necessary adjustments, save your changes, and download the file again. It's also a good idea to keep a backup copy of important documents, especially if they contain completed forms, signed agreements, or business records. And that's how to download edited PDFs from DocHub. By exporting your completed documents, you can store them locally, share them with others, or keep permanent records of your work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.